Hey, this is JD and FIA. I'm going to be showing you a 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4 chord progression in the key of E minor, all right, or you can look at it as G major, all right, starting on a 6. And the reason why I like to teach progressions is because once you learn your progressions, then songs will follow. All right, so we're in the key of G major, but when we play in E minor, we're going to use the G major scale, keep everything the same as we would if we was playing in G major. But our starting point is going to be on the 6 instead of starting on the 1. All right, so my scale that I'm going to be using, all right, we're going to look at it like this. E is going to be our 6, F sharp is going to be our 7, G is going to be our 1, A is going to be our 2, B is going to be our 3, C is our 4, D is our 5, back to E, our 6. All right, that's going to be one of your minor scales. All right. When I do the 6, 7, 1, this is good for certain songs. Some songs do have a 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4 progression intentionally. All right, by Travis Green has that. But oftentimes you'll find yourself doing a 6, 7, 1 progression or 2, 3, 4 chord progression. So that's why I want to show this video. All right, so we're gonna start off with our E minor. All right, left hand I got E, B, and E. Right hand I'm playing the G major chord. All right, and I'm adding the 9. So I have G, A, B, and D. My 7, I'm gonna go to D major over F sharp. D major 7 over F sharp. So left hand I got F sharp, C sharp. All right. Right hand I got F sharp, A, and D. All right. D major 7 chord. All right. Inverted. First inversion. Next chord I'm gonna play a 1 chord. So I got 6, 7. When I go to my 1, I'm going to play the same thing I played on the 6, but I'm going to have G and D in my left hand. So all together I got G, D. Right hand I got G, A, B, and D. So we got 6, 7, 1. All right, for my 2. All right, I like to play this chord here. You can play a regular A minor chord if you like. All right, that voicing. Let me give you that voicing. A and E on your left hand, right hand, G, B, C, and E. All right, it's going to give you an A minor 9 chord. However, I like to play my minor chords like that. So I got A, E on my left hand, right hand, F, G, and C. All right. I did do a video on this chord. It's called Substitution for a Minor Chord. All right, you can get more information on this specific chord here in all of your keys. All right, next chord, gonna be playing a 3 chord, B minor. B minor 7. Left hand I got B, F sharp. Right hand I'm just playing A and D. Coming off the C sharp to hit the D. All right. Next, I'm play a 4 chord, C major 7. Left hand, C and G. Right hand, B, D, E, and G. And that's it. So we got 6, 7, 1. All right, to the 2. All right, to 3, 4. All right, you can hit the 5 and go back into it if you want to. If you don't want to hit the 5, you don't have to. You can just go straight to the. All right. Play a regular A minor. All right, so just a couple of ideas that you could do. All right, so we got 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4 in the key of E minor, also known as G major. Hope that helped. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thanks.